In today's video, we're going to explore the 3 best stopwatch and timer apps for Android. Whether you need precise timing for workouts, cooking, or studying, these apps can help you keep track of time effectively. Let's dive in. Hybrid Stopwatch Timer. Hybrid Stopwatch Timer is a versatile app that combines the functionality of a stopwatch and timer into one seamless package. The app features a clean and user-friendly interface, making it easy to switch between counting up for laps and counting down for timers. Users can create multiple timers for different tasks, making it ideal for workouts, cooking, or studying. The app also supports a split time functionality, allowing users to record multiple laps without interrupting the timer. With a sleek design and comprehensive features, Hybrid Stopwatch Timer is a great choice for anyone needing a reliable timekeeping tool. Stopwatch V Timer App. The Stopwatch V Timer app is a straightforward and efficient tool for measuring time with both stopwatch and timer capabilities. This app offers a simple interface that allows users to start, stop, and reset the timer with ease. It also features customizable alarms and notifications that alert users when the timer reaches 0. With the ability to record lap times and view detailed histories of previous sessions, this app is perfect for athletes, chefs, and anyone else needing precise timing. Its intuitive design and essential features make it a popular choice for users who want simplicity and efficiency. Stopwatch V Timer Plus Android. Stopwatch V Timer Plus Android is a feature-packed timekeeping app that caters to various timing needs. It offers both stopwatch and countdown timer functions with a user-friendly interface that is easy to navigate. Users can set multiple timers for different activities, making it ideal for multitasking. The app features a lap time recording function and a simple way to manage and view past timings. Additionally, users can customize notification sounds for timers, ensuring they never miss an alert. With its rich features and accessibility, Stopwatch V Timer Plus Android is an excellent choice for those who need an all-in-one timing solution. Thank you for watching our video. We hope these stopwatch and timer apps help you manage your time more efficiently. See you next time.